Prenuptial agreement, or a prenup, or well, there are other names for it, is an agreement that people will sign before they get married that says what's going to happen, number one, if there's a divorce, or in some cases, number two, when one of them dies. That's a very important thing to happen in a second marriage where there are children from the first marriage. But the basic prenup talks about, here are my assets. The spouse will say, here are my assets, and if we get divorced, this is what's going to happen with the assets, and this is how much support is going to be paid, or this is how much alimony is going to be paid. The most important thing about prenups these days in Pennsylvania is that each side has to disclose what they own, because what you expect to get in the unfortunate circumstance of a divorce is based on what your spouse has. So if your spouse has $20 million that they're hiding in an offshore account, you can't really sign a fair prenup if you don't know about that. So the requirement for the prenup is both sides have to disclose the assets that they have and the income that they have.